Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
So today I am showing how to recover your Facebook disable account. So let's start. Open your browser. So right here facebook.com. Press enter. And so log in your Facebook disable account. So write email and write your password there. So log in. See here, my account is disabled. So let's start. How to recover it? Open your tab. Go there, and I provide you link in description. I copy and paste in Google Chrome URL. See here, you fill up all form here, your real name. My name is Ghulam Hussain, so I write it here. Search your date of birth. So you copy this from provided link in description. So copy and paste here. Guys, if you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So here write your disable email. I entered here. See here, and send to Facebook. You can send again and again. See here.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.